Australia Day, guys. The time is 1:47, Sunday, 26th of January.
Yes,
and my dad's busy. We're gonna have a barbecue tonight.
Yeah, si John busy guys kasi tapos na siya mag-fishing. So busy na siya mag-ayos ng pots and mga floats and may paint siya doon. And kami lang yung magse-celebrate ng Australia Day and may mga kasama kami ibang kids kasi nagka-camp sila doon sa sa bay. So, and si Kuya ngayon nag-fishing, may nakuha silang isda.
And I think Kuya TJ catch the fish.
Yes. And kami ni Holly nandito kami sa Mount kasi nabanggit ko sa inyo na lilipat na siya ng dance school. And today yung parang enrollment or tour para sa kanila. Pwede ka na rin mag-enroll. Pwede rin kasi online. So, meron akong tinik sa online. Tapos, meron pa akong question dito.
And
so,
I'm so excited.
May question pa kasi ako. Kasi si Holly nga, di ba, sabi ko sa inyo, gusto niyang mag aerial silk. Right, Bobby?
Yes.
Gusto niya mag-aerial. So, yan, tatanungin ko pa dito kung may available. Kasi nakalagay doon sa sa online. Acrobat. Tapos basta so
my dad said I have to do 1 but I want to do 4 because I did 4
before.
at type.
Yeah, so sabi ni Jan, wag daw masyadong pagurin kasi nga last time 4 times a week ako nasa town. So sabi ni Jan, parang napaka-busy ko na 4 times a week ako pabalik-balik dito sa town. So sabi ni Jan sa kanya, just take 1 class, right Baba?
Yeah, but I'm taking 4 classes.
Yeah, nanalo siya. So nanalo siya sa daddy.
I'm gonna do ballet, jazz, contemporary, aerial, and yeah.
Hip-hop pa pala.
Oh, hip-hop.
Hala.
No contemporary.
Hip-hop.
Hip-hop, yeah.
Yeah, so may papalitan siyang isa.
So no contemporary, hip-hop.
We'll see what's available. So gusto niya kasi mag-hip-hop. So pag 4 na siya before, tapos may idadagdag siya ng wala siyang hip-hop before. So magdadagdag siya ng hip-hop tapos yung aerial silk nga. So sabi ko sa kanya, kailangan niya mag-drop ng isa kasi 5 na yun, 5 times a week na kung ano nang gagawin natin dito sa town, wala na kayong makakain na luto ko.
Pero super mainit.
Yeah, mainit ngayon. So sabi ko, so titingnan namin kasi ngayon yung parang tour din sa school. And we'll see, right?
Yes.
And naglagay akong guys, eyeliner.
Yeah.
Hindi bet ni Holly, right? You don't like my eyeliner, Baba?
No, it doesn't really see it.
Yeah, hindi lang siguro ako marunong maglagay. So, trinay ko lang naman.
This one, it's like not on there anymore. There's no more eyeliner.
Kasi ang init-init, so
it's melting your...
Yeah, nag-melt na yung aking makeup.
Hopefully it doesn't melt your eyelash.
Okay?
Yep, let's go. Let's
Alas
go.
dos yung
Yes. Yeah.
yung opening. 2 to 4. And Australia Day pa talaga. Pero meron ng may nakikita na akong mga parents at saka kids na pumapasok. Okay, let's go.
Right.
Pinalitan ko yung palawit na twinkle. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Huh? Oh no.
And then when you come to class, the kids usually get changed down here.
Okay.
So this is... So this is our change rooms.
Okay. Alright.
And they can hang out in here. They love hanging out in here.
You want this, Baba?
Yeah. I want to send this to you straight away,
Okay.
so that I don't forget.
Yeah, okay, that's good.
So if you fill that out, that will so then I can get you in the system.
Okay.
Comp classes are usually here. Yeah. Ballet.
Mom, I wanted to do this one.
That one?
It looks fun.
Yeah, it looks big. Tapos na kami sa MJ. Na-enroll na natin si Holly. And she is very excited.
Yes, I'm doing the one in the air, guys. I can show these.
So, mag-ano siya guys. Meron siyang silk aerial. Basta ang dami niyang gagawin. Okay, punta muna kayo dito sa sa
Kmart.
Kmart.
To get my black leggings because
Oh.
I need some more.
Oo, kasi kailangan niya yun.
Because all
Para,
of them are short now.
para sa kanyang dance. Okay, let's go. Ang init ngayon, my God. Init, init. Yeah, back to school na. Oh. Back to school. Ang Kmart na tayo. This way, Baba. Oh, I don't think so. They have leggings. Do you think black one, Baba? Your size? No, that's too small. Here, size 7. You see?
Oh, size 6. Let's go to size 6.
Pitit ka kasi. Size 6. Okay. Think so?
Yeah, size
7?
7.
I think that's alright. But size 7? Yeah.
We
Okay.
can dance, we can dance on now.
Okay, I think we can get 3. Get 3.
So 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Alright.
Put them here so I can take them.
Okay, we're done here.
Key and code.
No, just start. Start scan now, Baba.
Please take your item on one pass or flyby card. Please scan it now.
Okay.
Please take your select payment type.
You have to show it to the guy. Punta kami ng Coles. May kukunin tayo.
Mom, there's a letter in here.
Ha?
There's a card.
Oh, it's alright. We need the wipes, Baba. Sorry. Yeah. Get this. Thank you.
We need that polish for my shoes.
Huh?
My polish for the shoes. Can we get muffins?
I'm gonna get the drinks.
Oh yeah. What type of drink?
Water.
What?
Water and daddy's coleslaw and potatoes. Not there, Baba. Here. Huh?
That doesn't like Coke Zero, so we have to get
Okay. I'll do it. Hold it.
They changed the water because the lids used to be blue.
I
Now
know.
they're white.
Iba na yung packaging ng ating tubig. Which one?
One or two? Dalawa.
We should get the bigger one. Bigger card. Yeah. Get this one. And then potatoes, that one? Yeah. Okay.
Keep these.
Yeah. Yeah, that one.
Zero sugar.
No. The regular one. Okay.
Now garlic.
Got it. Do you have the big one? Oh no, this one is alright. Okay. This one, Baba. No, I don't need plastic. I got this one. Okay. Got tayo dito isa. Yung party size. Maba ah. No, we need that one.
The next one. I got these small fingers.
Yeah. Ha? Ito pala kailangan ko nito. I don't think so.
So we're gonna have to get two more.
Let's go self check na lang, Baba. Wala eh. Can you get another one, please? Just gonna ask someone. Just scan the other one. I have a question. This one, we couldn't stand up. It's a cake card. Okay, thank you. You can hold that one.
That's how I use hand sanitizer my hands before I eat these. Got the sour cream and onion. Good.
If you have a Coles app or Flybuys card, please scan at any time. App or Flybuys card has been accepted. Thank you. Use PIN pad to complete transaction.
We are done. Scan everything.
Thank you for shopping at Coles.
What you get there, Baba?
Harry Potter.
Huh?
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Meron silang bagong collection dito sa Coles na pag nagbayad ka, kung ilang binayad mo, meron silang binibigay na cards or collector for Harry Potter. Okay.
The ones you got.
Yeah. Bahay na pala kami and nagmamadali akong i-marinate tong aking pork barbecue. Kasi si Jan tumawag na pumunta na raw kami dun sa bay. Sabi ko magluluto pa ako nitong sauce nito. So, saglit lang na marinate to kasi lulutuin ko pa yung sauce niya. And, gagawa ko ng konting salad para may salad ako. Kasi yung boys, meron sila yung potato salad. Ako yung lettuce ba na may cucumber. Tapos, lagyan ko lang ng feta cheese. Tapos, may rice ako ditong konti. Magluto siguro ako. Nagsayang ako kasi baka si kuya kumain din. So, madali ang marinate lang to. Ang init sa labas, pero may hangin na. Mainit pa rin yung hangin. Pero mas mainit sa town, kaysa dito sa amin. Kasi malapit tayo sa dagat, kaya medyo okay yung hangin. Sa town, grabe. Sobrang init. Kaya okay na siguro ito. Gumagawa na pala ako ng salad. And yung sauce hindi ko pa naluluto. After nito, lalagay akong, ito yung marinated na Danish style na feta cheese. So, meron tong carrots, cucumber, lettuce, tapos onion. Yun lang. Tapos etong cheese. Baka sisak ko man. Pero may onion to eh. Ayaw ni Sak ng may onions eh. Sabi ko kaya dyan 30 minutes pero hindi guys. Matagal-tagal pa ako. So lulutuin ko pa yung sauce. Nagpapakulo ako ng eggs. Para ilagay ko rin dito. Diba? Ayan yung salad. Okay, lagay ko muna to sa fridge. $5.27 na guys. Ngayon pa lang kami nakapunta dito. Hi!
There's a thing.
What the thing?
MJ.
Good.
What's it look like in there?
Big. Bigger than the other one. Dito sila. Oh. Hinahanda na ni Jen yung aking barbecuehan. Thank you. Are you sleeping here tonight?
Yep.
Ito yung pinagkakabisihan dito ni Jan. And, ayan. Naglalagay siya ng pinipinturahan niya yan. I mean, paint. Yes, paint. And naglalagay siya ng number. Andun, pinapatuyo niya. So, yeah, madami siyang ganap dito. And, ayan, nire-ready niya na yung barbecuehan niya din. Ay, hindi pa pala. Ay, baba! Kunin ko yung gamit. And eto kay Mitch. Kasi ngayon, dito siya mag-stay. Kahapon, si Brock lang dito, diba? Ayun, si Mitch. Si Mitch, pinsan ni Brock. First cousin sila. So, kunin ko yung aking mga dala-dala dito. Meron akong dalang rice cooker. Nagluto ako ng kanin, diba? Ito yung dala natin. Ayan. Ito. Kuya! Sak! And may ginawa ako dyan na sausawan. Come here! Ask the boys! Ito yung, hindi ko pa siya natusok guys. Kasi si Jan. Okay. Can you bring it there please? Call the boys.
Kuya Zach! Kuya TJ! Ooh, what's this?
Pork barbecue. Please, thank you. So, magtusok ako. Hindi pa to natutusok. Belle, I got you this song. Belle. Johnny boy. Kinuhaan ko siya dito. Matagal na siya hindi na. Coke at the back of the car. I have the cans. Ito, gumawa ko ng suka na maanghang na sobrang anghang. Tapos may sibuyas. Tinimplang ko siya. Sarap nito. Ay, ito, yung aking. Ito na muna. Baba! Dinala ko rin yung tirang. Thank you, hon. Ayan, mas maliwanag. Yung feta cheese. Ito yung ating pantusok. And ito yung sauce. Ang init pa nito. Okay, mamaya na yan. Kasi, unahin ko muna to. Yeah. So, yung ano ni Holly. Ay. Nangyari dito. Ano pa ba to? Parang, tingnan niyo yung egg. Hindi ko na ito isabay. Tingnan niyo. Parang, hindi ko alam kung okay pa siya. Ito, okay ito. Yung dance ni Holly, parang 5 ata. Aerial. Kasi may undercomp din siya. So, sa undercomp, meron na doon na hip-hop, jazz, tapos meron din siyang aerial, then ballet. Tapos yung schedule niya is Tuesday, every Tuesday and Thursday. Kasi sa isang araw, like Tuesday, 2 dance siya doon. Tapos Thursday, 2 din. So, mas maganda yung schedule niya ngayon compare last year. Kasi last year, 4 times a week ako. Halos every day, iba yung schedule ng dance niya. So, this time, at least, sa isang araw, 2 yung ano niya. 2 dance niya. So, from 4 to 4:45, 4:45 to 5:40. Basta isang oras kasi yung dance. Eh, dala ko yung, yung bahaw kung sa Bicol. Kagabi ko yan nito. Baba, put this in the fridge, please. Baba. What? And this one, Baba, may salad too. Zach, put this one, Ito yung salad. Ow! Hindi pa pala. Lalagyan ko lang. Wala lang. Wala pala, wala. It's alright. Si Zach naglagay ng aluminum foil sa kanyang ngipin. Yung mga bata, sobrang na-enjoy nila yung holiday, school holiday, kasi lagi silang on the go. What's that? Is that your bag?
Yeah, it's marinated.
Mom, where's the cheese?
That one.
Do you reckon? Or
Yeah,
what?
yeah, yeah,
You gonna
yeah.
eat the chicken one?
I have my own.
So don't worry about the chicken one then.
Yeah, just cook it so the kids can eat it. Baba, can you get me a knife there, please? Knife? Oh, here. Oh. And this one in the fridge, please. Thank you. Thank you. Sana may brush ako dito. Oh, may langaw. Ay, ang sarap nitong suka. The suka. Alright, tusok-tusok tayo. Where's my skewer? And eto pa pala ba? Sorry, baby. This one, last one. Are you gonna eat my barbecue? Kasi meron din silang barbecue eh. Yes.
No, I can't
Dapat meron pa silang isang kasama kaso may sakit. So, hindi nakapunta dito. Then, bukas magka-camp yung mga boys. Sa ibang ano naman, malapit sa beach. Malapit sa bahay nila Mitch. So, doon sila bukas. Kasi sa Wednesday, pasukan na. So, last camp nila bukas hanggang Tuesday. Apat. Ay, parang haba na. Ang haba na, no?
Look at me, I put this on just for you. Can't you see? Don't wanna think too much, just want your touch. Oh my God, keep it real with me. Know it is such a baby. Wanna get to know you better. 너와 함께 있으면 나 몸이 뜨거워져 all night. Just wanna feel your touch. 조금 더 가까이 to make you mine. Tell me you need. Tell me your secrets. Don't worry, you keep it. Oh baby, 내게 변해줘. 세게 안아줘. 같이 있어줘. Oh 너와 이 밤을 보내고 싶은 내 맘이야. Things have been complicated, baby. Why do things have to be this way? Oh, nah. Baby, don't think too much. Want your touch. Don't wanna go home alone tonight. 보내지 않겠다고 말해.
Yan, tapos na silang tusukin. Nakagawa tayo ng 18 pieces. Ha?
I get the chicken side.
Okay. Mag-ihaw na tayo dun. Okay. Gamitan ni dyan ng blower. Is that right?
Yeah.
Wow, thank you.
Looks like it, guys.
Five for now.
Yeah. Ooh, guys, that looks like it.
Ito yung barbecue din nila. That chicken looks good. Yung kay Holly daw, chicken. Is that beef kebab, ha? Beef barbecue yun. Tapos ayun, sausages. Naglagay ako ng sauce, yung pang brush natin dyan sa baso. Ayan. Nilalamig ako, so pinakuha ko kay Holly yung jacket. And kasya na sa kanya. Bagay din sa kanya, oh. Looks nice on you, Baba. Si Kuya kumuha na ng ano niya, sausages. Did you cut the chicken, ha? Looks nice. Yung akin maya-maya pa yun. Sila kakain na sila. Luto na yung kanila, eh. Yan si Kuya. Gusto rin ni Kuya mag-pork barbecue, kaso hindi pa luto. Ayan. Potato salad and coleslaw. How is it? Good? Yan, kumakain na yung mga bata. No one eating salad. I have rice if you want rice.
That's what
jerky that Dad and Bailey made.
Yeah. Is it alright?
Yeah, I don't want it. I don't like it.
Just put it on the... Si Sak pala kumuha siya ng... What's that?
Raspberries.
More rice?
Raspberries.
Si Sak tsaka si Oli lang nag-rice. Si Kuya hindi. Ito yung barbecue natin. Ay, nasunog na. Ay, naputol. Ay. Tapos na silang kumain si Kuya. Yan. Luto na yung ating pork barbecue. Meron pa ako doon nakasalang. It's good with vinegar, yeah? Na?
Yeah, Mom?
Dessert na sila, yung lamington. Ako hindi pa ako kumakain guys kasi nagluluto pa tayo.
Wanna bite?
No, I'm good. Thank you,
Wanna
Baba.
bite, guys?
Ice cream na sila. Oh, di ba? Pati pa sila. Nakadalawang dessert na.
You got yellow, bro. You got yellow. I think I got red too.
Ayan, luto na yung barbecue. Hindi ko niluto lahat. Kasi ako lang naman ang kakain. Si Kuya kumain ng isa. Saan tayo guys? Ito yung salad natin. And yung sauce. And suka na ginawa ko.
Everything.
Kain. Ako lang naman kakain. So isasawsaw ko na dito sa aking sauce. What egg?
It's
Oh, don't touch it! Don't touch
That's
it!
like the right taste for me.
What do you want, Kuya?
Cucumber.
O, diba?
Well, that's not fishy. Cheese.
What do you want? What do you want, Kuya?
In my hand. In my hand. Thank you.
Okay.
You can try out eggs.
What, do you want eggs though?
No?
Okay.
I got that good.
You're not allowed to, Holly. Naughty. No way. Wow, you give it a little one. Wow. Yeah, really. Looks a little fun.
Can I have a mate?
What meat? Here, which
I'm
one?
full.
You are full. Here. This one? You want me to put
No,
it?
you have the salad.
Hey, wait, give me
like my
that
salad?
little egg. I want to try.
Hey, can I have that?
That little egg.
Tapos na silang
Gave me a little one.
Tapos na silang
That
kumain,
white
tapos ako
thing?
hindi
That
pa ako
white
makasubo.
And yeah, and
Cucumber too?
carrots.
Tofu?
Huh?
Another egg.
Tofu?
That's not tofu.
But
Yeah, just a full 2 seconds.
What?
Best in the world.
Hindi pa ako nakaka. How about may ang the best though?
um,
Oh my God, si Sak mahilig to sa salad. Nice, no? Di ba? Wala ng egg. Naubos na yung egg.
say this.
Okay, can I eat now?
That's enough. That's enough egg.
Cucumber?
That's salad.
Yeah, here. That's Tita Crisel's barbecue. Here. Here, Baba. Oh, what? Do you want it?
I don't want it with sauce.
Alright. Do you want your... Here.
I'll just try it out.
Oh, Jesus Christ, Rocco.
Oh. Oh my God. Parang kung nasa barbecue ni Yinga. Ni Yinga Bicolana.
Pretty good salad then, huh?
Hmm. You want more? Get your fork.
Can you take this and get off this? Very, very good. One pound beers. Thank you.
I will always make this one.
No more fork.
Here,
Give me that. Nice. Good shape, yep. Nice.
Sarap guys ng barbecue.
Celery in there?
No. Ang lambot.
So you done with that? Yeah, sure.
Ang sarap ng suka ko.
Got black people there, man.
Ang sarap niya.
I'm not taking my phone. Sorry.
That's it. Okay, bye.
Bye. Mwah.
Love you.
Love you. Magpi-fishing sila.
GABOS.
Bye. Be careful. Bye. How about you, Baba? Stay with mommy. I'm still eating, guys. Tapos na pala akong kumain. And, eto, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung kanilang swag. Eto kay Zach. And, kay Kuya. Kay Kuya ang laki. Same sila ni Brock, ang size. And si Mitch, makikitulog sa kanyang pinsan dyan kay Brock. And kami uwi na. Kasi yung mga boys nasa bay. Nasa ano? Nasa boat ramp kasi nagfi-fishing sila dun. And si Holly dito na. Ay, umuulan. Tagiste. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Eto, tingnan nyo yung cans. Puno yan. Eto yung garbage. And eto yung isa pang cans. Puno. Simula nung nagstay. Na-empty na ni Jan before. Ito na yung pangalawa niya pag in-empty niya to. Pag dinala niya to dun sa junk shop. Diba? Dami. Pero hindi lang naman kami. May mga kasama din kasi kami mga bata. Okay. Uwi na tayo. Yan yung dinghy ni Jan. Naririnig nyo yung dagat. Ready, Baba?
Yes,
Okay, let's go. And
definitely gonna beat us.
no, Dad is already home. Maliligo yan si Jan. Baba, careful. Ayan yung tira nating barbecue. I-freezer ko yan. Yung hilaw yan yung hilaw. Meron ako yung luto. Iyon ang kakainin namin bukas ni Holly.
The river.
Oh,
Taj, Dave, Randall, Nige.
are you
I
going
don't
now?
know, I might grab Zach, so he wants to come with me, see how I go fishing.
Alright. Alis na
So
siya.
Zach come to cruise.
See ya. Nakaligo na siya. Putaway ako ng aking mga dapat iputaway. Laki na nag-chan ko. Busog ako. Na-put away ko na. Nalagay ko na sa freezer yung tira naming, yung tira kong barbecue na hindi naluto. Tapos yung luto nasa fridge. Kita ko lang sa inyo kasi nung isang araw nag-live ako. And nakapag-invoice na ako. Yan yung isi-ship ko sa, sabi ko Monday. Long weekend pala. So, sa Tuesday na yan. Ayan, sa Tuesday ko na lang pala ship kasi long weekend. Ayan, mga bayad na yan. Isi-sealed ko na lang doon. And, yeah. And ginamit ko yung Amazon na box kasi naubusan ako ng box, guys. Wala na akong box. Sa Tuesday pa ako makakabili kasi nga long weekend bukas Monday long weekend. So and eto hindi ko pa natatanggal kasi si Jan nga busy sa shed, hindi niya makuha yung container niyan ng aking mga ornaments. So yun lang guys, i-end ko na yung vlog, yun na yung vlog natin. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night.
Cause I think I do